Hello everyone and welcome to the first official video of phase 1, which is all about figuring out what you want and why you want it. Now, I know you're sitting here and you're like, girl, I'm in this community because I know exactly what I want. I'm trying to create my digital products. I'm trying to build out my social media audience. I'm creating my memberships, my communities, and let's get on with it. I know what I want and I know why I want it, but you probably don't really know why you want this thing. And that's why it's so important for us to sit here and talk about it, because if you do not know the main reason as to why you want something and why you're reaching this specific goal, you're going to quit, you're going to give up, and that's not what I want for you. I want you to reach the finish line. I want you to actually get that goal that you're here to accomplish. And the only way that we can do that is if we figure out what it is that you really want and why you really want it. Now, before we go ahead and begin, I need you to make sure that you go ahead in the section down below and get your downloads. These are just going to help you fill in the sections that I'm going to talk about in this video. And then you can always feel free to speed up the video, slow it down. I know I talk very quickly, so you have that option as well. And now let's just dive into it, okay? Now, the first thing that I want to mention is that before you go ahead and create any sort of content, any sort of product, any sort of community, any sort of membership, whatever you do, you need to be crystal clear as to what direction you are going in, okay? Because you cannot take action without clarity. You cannot head in a specific direction without knowing what in the world you're going to work towards. So that is why it is so important to be extremely, extremely clear on what it is that you want. And I do not want you to make the mistake that most people make, which is, I already opened the account. I already got a name for it. Boom. I opened up a YouTube also. You know what? I opened up a store, and you start frantically taking action without methodically sitting there and saying, okay, what's the game plan? Why am I doing this? Where is this going to be 2 months down the line, 6 months down the line, even a year down the line? You need to think about where it's going to go and how it's going to develop, because if not, you're going to waste a lot of time. Trust me, you're looking at somebody who's wasted a lot of time because she didn't do that, right? I just stepped in and I was like, oh, I did these mistakes. I'm going to post twice a day. I'm just going to do it. And then it was a mess. So you're not doing that because you're in my community. So what we're going to do is focus on our strategy, right? Because without our strategy, we are going to be overwhelmed. And my priority while you're here is to not have you overwhelmed. I want to create that nice, clean path for you to say, I'm here. I want to go there. This is how I'm going to do it. You go and reach that goal. We celebrate, and then you move on. Okay? Now, the first way that we're going to do this is by deciding what it is that you truly want. Now, when you are figuring this out, we are not just going to answer, what do I want for money, and then move on. No, we're trying to figure out what we want for a lot of other things. What do you want when it comes to your money, your time, your freedom, your confidence, your lifestyle, your mindset? How do you want to talk to yourself in the future, right? This is the little things that you kind of have to figure out so that when we start building out your habits in phase 2, you can start saying, okay, I said I wanted this. Now I need to start creating the habits and the actions in order for me to actually fulfill those goals, right? So go ahead and use your download to start filling these in. And then as you are filling these in, I also want you to ask yourself, what does it look like once I have those things? Once I have more money and more time and I have the things that I want for my lifestyle, my mindset, the way I show up in my life, what does that actually look like? Now, I want you, if you're writing, to stop what you're doing, and I need you to remember this and lock this into your brain, because it's the most important sentence that I'm going to say in this video, okay? You are allowed to want whatever you want for yourself, okay? I'm going to say it again. You are allowed to want more for yourself. You are allowed to want whatever you want for yourself. You are allowed to dream big for yourself. You're allowed all of those things. Why? Because it's your life. Notice the period there. Period. Okay? This has nothing to do with your spouse, your family, your kids, your parents, nobody, co-workers. We don't care about any of those people right now. We care about what is it that you want for your life, and how in the world are we going to together get there? Write it on paper. And if you obviously want to think of your kids and your spouses, that's great. But their opinions about what you should do should not be on that paper. Okay? Because I know some of you, you're like, oh my God, my spouse really wants me to do this. And like, I'm going to write that down. No. Whatever it is that you want, think about it. If you need to pause the video, pause. And then as you continue, just dream big, okay? This is the exercise. I want you to dream big. I want you to fill this in and be as juicy as you can possibly make it, okay? I want you to say, I want to make X amount of money. I want to make $10,000 a month. I want to make $50,000. Hell, I want to make $10 million a month. And don't tell me that's a crazy number, because there's people that are making way over that every single month. Yeah, we know that there's millionaires and billionaires in the world, right? So dream big, okay? Same thing happens with your freedom, whatever you want for your lifestyle. Dream big, dream big, dream big. And when you are doing this, I need you to be specific, okay? When it comes to this exercise, the more specific you are, the more clarity you're going to give yourself. If you say, I want to be rich, what does rich mean? Okay. Rich can mean $100,000. Rich can mean $10 million. You decide. Okay. Be specific, because the more specific you are, the easier it's going to be to create your action plan. It's just going to make it easier for us to figure out exactly how you're going to take actions, because you're going to know exactly where you are headed. Okay. Now, when you're not specific, here's what's going to happen. You're going to get vague results. Okay. Notice how I put it there. Vague goals create vague results. We do not want vague results. We do not want just caca results. We don't want that. We want really good, juicy results. And the way we do that is by being specific. Okay. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to talk about as you're writing all these things down is I want you to think about the surface level wants and the real wants. Now, I do not want you to feel like the surface level wants are not real wants, because they are real wants, if this makes sense, right? We all want to get more followers, and we want more views, and we would like to get our stuff seen and to be seen more by our audiences, and whatever it is that you're doing, right? More sales, that is fine. But I also want you to want deeper, meaningful things, right? Stability for yourself. I want you to create that freedom for yourself, for your family. Give yourself your own security, your own trust within yourself, right? Those are things that you can also aim towards that are not just surface level, like, I just want more followers. What does more followers do for you, right? Sure, it gives you more money, but is it going to make you feel like you have more stability? Do you trust yourself more? Okay, so mix in your goals. And then when you're being specific, I just wanted to give you this little example. Don't just put like, I want more followers online. No. And when I say specific, I don't mean, oh, I want 10,000 followers. Wrong. I want it to be, I want to make $3,000 to $5,000 a month online to have more financial stability. Or you can also use the second example. I want to create content that attracts opportunities to myself so that I can have more security for me and my family, right? You find a way to write this so that it feels authentic and it feels like, yes, I like this goal for myself. And then when you go ahead and do that, ask yourself why over and over and over again. Okay. Now, I know that this might seem like, oh, why in the world do I got to ask myself why? Like, I already know why I want this. Mm-mm-mm. You need to know your why, because your why is your anchor moving forward. Okay. That's why I put it in big letters. It is your anchor. This is the number one thing that is going to help you. Okay. It's going to help you not want to quit. This is what keeps you grounded. This is what reminds you that you got to keep going forward when you feel like quitting, when you're frustrated, when you feel like you're behind, when you don't have views, the money's not coming in. When all of these little scenarios are happening and you're frustrated, you're annoyed, you're like, ugh, I'm done. The why is going to be in the center of your brain telling you, we're doing this because I want to retire my mom. We're doing this because I want to have financial freedom. I want to have those investment properties. I want to travel in business class. I am doing this because of this. This is the type of life I want to have. And then all of a sudden that makes you want to show up and not give up. Okay. Now, if you're sitting there and you're like, girl, but how do I do this? Relax. I'm going to teach you how to do it. It's very, very simple. Okay. You can use the download, or you can just do what I'm about to tell you. You get a piece of paper and you put, I want blank because of blank. I want blank because blank, right? I want to make $10 million a year because that's going to allow me to have the lifestyle that I want for myself and to give financial freedom to my family, whatever. And then you're going to ask yourself, why do I want it? Well, because I want to have financial freedom. But why? Well, because I've never had financial freedom, and because of this, right? Why? Why did you never have financial freedom? Well, I didn't grow up around financial freedom. Why? Well, because maybe my parents were immigrants. Maybe my parents just didn't have the knowledge, the education. Why? Well, because they were never allotted the time. Why? And when you do this example, I know it's going to sound absolutely insane. You are going to get to the root of your subconscious mind, and you're going to find out so much about yourself, because you're going to realize that a lot of the things that you think you want are not necessarily what you want. Maybe when you break it down, you're like, yep, this is why I want it. I want to give my family a new future. That's fine. But the reason that this is so important is because you really need to know at the deepest level of you why you want this thing. And eventually you're going to ask yourself why. You won't have an answer for it. And that's how you know that you finished the exercise. Just keep asking yourself why, and you're going to get there. Okay. So an example that I wrote here was, I want to grow online. Why? So I can make money. Why? Well, so that I don't have to stress about money. Why? Well, I want to feel safe. Why? Because I never felt financially stable. That's the answer, right? You don't have to write why 17,000 times. Right there is a simple little example as to like, this is why I'm doing it. So the next time you feel like quitting, remember, when you feel like you're over here, oh my God, I feel like quitting, I'm overwhelmed. Then you go and say, okay, I've never felt financially stable. I'm doing this because I want to feel this way. I want this for my life. I want this for my family. I got to show up. Okay. Now, I will say one more thing. When you're answering your whys, the first answer is the superficial caca answer. It's not like, oh, I just want it because I want to be happy. No. Keep asking yourself why, because we don't want surface level answers. We want the deep answer. Okay. So, like I said here, example, I want to grow online. When you ask yourself why and why and why and why, eventually you'll get to this one, which is because I never felt financially stable. I am looking to feel financially stable in my life, etc. Okay. And then once you go ahead and do this, you'll start to realize that everything is going to build off of this. This is your foundation. So if you skip this, you're going to be like, girl, oh my God, but what do I do this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Did you do the first video? Did you do the first example? Yes, you did, because you watched it all the way through, okay? So I want you to go ahead now and stop this video. It's the end of the video. Woo, you made it to the first one. I want you to figure out what it is that you want and why you want it. You're going to ask yourself all of those whys. And then whenever you're ready, then you can go ahead and jump into the next video. So go ahead, get your downloads, fill these out, and I will see you in the next video.